over there is the gator. So I guess there was a reason why that sign says be careful at your own risk. Over there is a gator, and looks like he's sleeping. So I'm gonna try to walk up to this thing to see if it really is sleeping. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I think this is probably about as close as I am going to get to this thing. So I think I'm gonna let this thing be where it's at, and this is probably about as close as I'm gonna get since there's no barrier between us. So I'll see you later there, pal.